It is a good day when this beach-loving girl gets her Beachly box. So if you want to see what is inside this lifestyle beach-themed subscription box, keep watching. Hey girlfriends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name's Andrea and I love fashion and I love subscription boxes and I do unboxings and clothing hauls and shopping hauls and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. If you like that kind of thing, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and we can hang out for on the regular. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, if you like this video, please give me that like, notification bell, you know, the whole spiel. So Beachly, it is a seasonal lifestyle subscription box. And let's see, my husband gave it to me for Christmas. It was one of those things where I sent him the link. I said, this would be a good present for Christmas. So this is the summer box. And there was one or two customizations. So this is what it looks like inside. They just kind of throw everything in. It's not like neatly packed or anything. This is, let's see, this season we're bringing you a box that captures the vibrance of salty, sandy summer days spent soaking up the sun with those we love most. All the beach-bound essentials inside are thoughtfully designed with tropical prints, pops of color, and the promise of an endless summer ahead. You deserve to make a splash, create some sun-soaked memories, and bask in all the goodness waiting for you inside. Are you ready for an endless summer? Good vibes always, Brooke. And then they have a QR code for all the things that are inside. And then that's the picture. So there's not a magazine or anything. All right, let's get into it. It is a beach-themed subscription box. And the first thing we've got, some of these things are wrapped in plastic. This is a t-shirt. And it says Team Aloha, and it is kind of a sand color, I would call it. And then on the back, it also says, let's see, Team Aloha. So a little bit cropped. I don't wear graphic tees, but this is super soft. It's 100% cotton, and it is certainly the kind of thing that I could wear as a sleep shirt. So I like that. All right. And then let's see, here we've got another plastic bag. And these are scrunchies. Really cute scrunchies. They've got like little bows, as you can see. So today I did curly hair because I haven't been sleeping well, and curly hair is faster for me, so I use my Dyson Airwrap and it's super fast. My daughter has nice long hair though, so I'll see if she wants these. They're nice prints, and like I said, they've got these fun bows on them, and there's 3 of them there. And these are by Magic, M-A-A-J-I-K, where magic comes in waves. And they are supposed to be valued at $20. That seems like a lot for scrunchies. I mean, obviously I don't wear scrunchies, so I'm not sure, but is that a lot for scrunchies? All right, next up we have French Girl Rose Sea Polish Soothing Treatment, a hydrating body polish composed of Himalayan salts, nourishing butters, and plant oils that work to gently exfoliate, detoxify, and moisturize the skin. Well, I love a good body polish. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, there we go. So that was the box, and that's the jar. It's in a glass jar. Open it up. It smells nice. It has kind of a nice clean scent. All right, happy about that. All right, and then, I believe these are the sunglasses. There was a choice between sunglasses and something else, and I can't remember what the something else was. These are by Diff, but I chose the sunglasses because the something else didn't appeal to me as much. you know, I can always use a pair of sunglasses. And they are tortoise shell on the side. I like those. They're big, so maybe I'll have to see if I can get them adjusted somewhere, because if I bend over, they are really loose. But I like those. What do you think? Do you like them? Let me know in the comments. Do you like my new sunglasses? All right, so that's good. You can always use sunglasses at the beach too. I have a bunch of different sunglasses and I rotate through them. All right, and then this, I had seen some spoilers, so I knew about this. This is a insulated cooler. It's got all kinds of straps. I guess, oh, you know what? You can wear it as a backpack, or you can just carry it like that. So, a couple different ways you could use it. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. And let's see, this is by XIX Palms, and it is insulated, but there's no zipper or anything, and it's not that big. It would be good, I think, if you wanted something super cute to take lunch to work. I guess if you were out and about and you just wanted some cold drinks. So that's cute. I like it. It's this kind of what would you call that? I don't know what you would call that, but it's got leather, it looks like leather straps. So it looks really well made. The back straps are adjustable. And yeah, so cute. Not as big as I thought it was gonna be, but cute all the same. And then last is a cutting board, an engraved bamboo cutting board. All right, you guys, I'm using my phone again to film, and I still do not know where to look. So that is very pretty. So it's shaped like those leaves, and you can see that there's some engraving on it. So that'll look nice. I don't, you know, this feels too pretty to actually use, but it'll look really nice in my kitchen. So let's see, how many items did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. You know what, hold on a second, and I am gonna find out how much this box is. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can pay for it. You can pay quarterly, and it's $99 per box plus shipping, or you can save $40 when you prepay for the year, and then it is $89 per box plus shipping, and it is charged once a year, delivered every 3 months. And that's what my husband got me, was the 1-year subscription, and it says that it is valued at $250. Each box is valued at $250. They also have a shop where you can like earn some kind of points that you can exchange for like discounts, like $10 off or something like that. Do I think this is worth $250? I don't know. I know that sometimes when people do unboxings, they'll calculate the value. And a lot of times I feel like the values of these boxes are often overrated. Like to me, $20 for 3 scrunchies, cute as they are, seems a little high, but like I said, I haven't bought scrunchies in a very, very long time, so I do not know. But I think these are really nice items. There's nothing that I don't like in the box, so I'm excited. I'm happy with it. If you like this unboxing, give me a thumbs up. I know I usually do fashion stuff, but when I get these, I like to share them with you. And I hope you're having a good day. I do appreciate you taking some time to spend with me and exploring my new Beachly box. And I hope that you will hang out with me when I put out another video. Until next time, girlfriends, dress like you mean it. All right, girlfriends, it is the next day, and I had to come back and update this video because I did go in and look at the assigned values of the items, and I want to show those to you. So the Shore Break Picnic Cooler Bag by XIX Palms This is a Beachly exclusive, which means it was made specifically for Beachly. The other thing is these are vegan leather, so it's not real leather. They're valuing this at $99, which I think it's very nice, but I don't know who would pay $99 for this. I mean, it's not that big. You know, maybe if it was a big where you could put a whole lunch and stuff, but I feel like that is way over inflated. And the other thing is XIX Palms, the company that makes it, they make clothing. So I went on their site and they didn't have anything even remotely like this. So this is really nice, but you know, I might pay $40 for it, maybe. So I feel like that is overinflated. Another thing, so this was worth $44, which, you know, it's got that engraving, so maybe. I mean, I think it's really nice. I don't know that I would have spent that, but I think you could make a case for that being worth $44. I'm looking down at my iPad with the prices. The t-shirt, again, I think this is a really cute t-shirt, but they say that it is worth, those pop-ups that you can't get rid of drive me crazy, pet peeve. So they are saying that this is worth $44. And I would not pay $44 for a t-shirt like this. I might pay $20, $25, and I think that's about what it's worth. Next up, so the scrunchies were actually not 3 scrunchies. They are one hair tie. So it's got like the scrunchie part and then these long tails. And they say that that's worth $20, which seems a lot to me. And then the sunglasses were at $75, and I would pay $75 for those sunglasses. And then I don't have the polish, I already put it in my shower. That is at $18, which, I mean, I think you could make a case for that. So I just had to come and update it and let you know what they were saying the value of things were. Yeah, I mean, I think it's definitely worth what the cost of the box was, $89 or $99 for sure, but I think $250 is really stretching it. All right, that's all I have for you today, and until next time, dress like you mean it.